Tips on how to lower your uric acid and reduce joint pain naturally. Uric acid crystallization in the joints can be the underlying cause for various other problems, including gout, arthritis, and kidney failure. If left untreated, the crystallization can lead to severe pain. This, in turn, will affect your daily activities and lead to acute arthritis. The good thing is that you can reduce the uric acid levels and prevent further problems in a natural way. We have an incredible natural remedy that will lower your uric acid and reduce your joint pain. So, check it out. How to prepare the remedy. Needed ingredients: 1 medium-sized cucumber, 1 cup of chopped pineapples, 1 grapefruit, 2 inches of ginger root, water. Directions: clean the ingredients thoroughly. Add them in a blender or juicer and mix to prepare a juice. It is recommended to consume this juice every day, before your meals. This will significantly relieve your pain. Health benefits of the ingredients. Ginger. Due to its potent anti-inflammatory properties, ginger can effectively eliminate the toxins from your body. Cucumber. Cucumber has strong diuretic properties. It has the ability to prevent the formation of kidney stones in your body. This vegetable is very beneficial in the case of uric acid and inflammation in the joints. Cucumber is one of the most effective remedies for treating uric acid crystallization. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is an excellent source of vitamin C that can relieve joint pain. What is more, this fruit is high in calcium, essential for osteoarthritis. Pineapple. Pineapple contains bromelain, a compound that has powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe joint pain.